Alright, today I'm going to show you how to make chicken dip. Alright, we're going to start off by slicing an onion. So we're going to slice it, then we're going to chop it, and then we're going to saute it. Alright, after we're done chopping it, we're going to put it in the grease, olive oil or vegetable oil, either or. So we're going to cook that for about 5 minutes at 350. Alright, next we're going to grab a couple of chicken breasts. We're going to chop those in half. So we need at least 1 pound of breast. Chop this in half. Get the fat out of there also. Put it in a bowl. Going to add the ingredients. Lemon pepper, black pepper, cayenne pepper, and thyme. Alright, so we're just going to mush everything together. Look at that. Alright, we're going to put in the skillet. We can put the degrees to like 350. Like that cooked for about 10 to 15 minutes. Next, pour it in a bowl. Alright, now we're going to add some cream cheese, Philadelphia cream cheese, 8 ounces. Now we're going to add the sauteed onions to the chicken and cream cheese. Next we have the mozzarella cheese, 8 ounces. Now we're just going to whisk it all together. Whisk for like a minute or two until the cheese is melted. And add that to the bowl. Just spread everything out. You know, you want to make it even. So just keep spreading so everything's even. You know, do it to the best of your ability. Next, we're going to add the rest of the cheese. So that's going to be like another 8 ounces. I could have did a better job of spreading it around. So we're going to set the oven to about 350. So we're going to let that sit for about 5 minutes. Next, have romaine lettuce. Now this isn't anything you're gonna put in the chicken dip, so this is just something on the side, vegetables. So after about 5 to 10 minutes, the chicken dip is ready. So right now it's sizzling. So we're gonna let that cool off for about 5 minutes. And now we're ready to try it. So let's see how this tastes. So that's the blue corn flex chips. Sprinkle the romaine lettuce on top of the dip. That's pretty hot. This is like a good snack, you know, if you don't want to eat a big meal.
Very good.
Substitute as a good snack. Now you want to be careful with the ingredients. You don't want to overdo with the cheese or the cream cheese because it can be really rich. Now I actually made it perfect, so it wasn't rich. So just be careful with the ingredients. Everything was seasoned to perfection also.
I'll put the calories and the ingredients in the description.
So this is a quick video.
All right. Until next time.